Welcome to our comparison of two popular dashcams, the WOLFBOX G840S and the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo. Today, we will dive into their features, specifications, and performance to help you decide which one suits your needs best. We'll look at their video quality, display size, connectivity options, and more. Let's get started. When it comes to video quality, the WOLFBOX G840S boasts a stunning 4K resolution for its front camera, providing exceptional clarity and detail. In contrast, the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo offers a 2K resolution at 60 FPS, which is still impressive, but falls short of the WOLFBOX's capabilities. This difference in resolution can significantly impact the quality of the footage captured, especially in critical situations. The WOLFBOX G840S features a large 12-inch LCD display, making it easy to view footage and navigate settings. On the other hand, the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo has a much smaller 2-inch display for each camera, which may not be as user-friendly. A larger screen can enhance the overall user experience, especially when reviewing footage. Connectivity is another area where these two dashcams differ. The WOLFBOX G840S lacks Wi-Fi capabilities, which means you cannot easily transfer footage to your smartphone or computer. In contrast, the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo includes Wi-Fi, allowing for seamless video downloads and live viewing through the VIOFO app. This feature can be incredibly convenient for users who want to access their footage quickly. In conclusion, both the WOLFBOX G840S and the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo offer unique features that cater to different needs. The WOLFBOX excels in video resolution and display size, while the VIOFO provides advanced connectivity options. Depending on your priorities, one may be a better fit for you than the other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.